uświadomiły mi, że nie mam serca. Czego się po mnie spodziewasz, jak jestem jeszcze dzieciak? Wybacz mi mała, uwierz, ja uczę się na błędach. Twoje paznokcie zostały.
Lately it's been really confusing. I just can't understand. You say that you're catching feelings, but I'm always left on red. Ooh, no. And every time we meet, nothing is off beat. Deep down I gotta say, I'm digging your vibe. Your vibe, your vibe. There's something, it's the fact. You're switching up again. I don't know what's your move. Tell me, baby, what to do.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Welcome back. Today is Sunday. I'm just going out with my housemates. We are just going to the mall just to play bowling and then to eat lunch or something. It's just going to be like a fun day kind of thing. All dressed. I'm just going to show you guys my outfits. And the thing I don't understand is it's already spring, and why is it still giving this winter vibe? Because it's still cold outside. Like, it's still very cold outside. Anyway, let me show you guys my outfits. I'm wearing this crop top from Zara that has this adjustable string here. This pants from Bashka, and the shoe, it's a boot. It's actually a boot. This boot from Bashka also. This jacket. Where do I get this jacket from? I think one random store. I got this jacket from just one random store.
Are you messing with my mind? First you tell me that you're all mine, then you say you need some time. You can't decide, and it leaves me asking. Tell me which lane I am choosing. Should I stay or go?
I lost. So how was winning like?
Oh God, it was so sweet seeing myself playing bowling with as I played bowling last in Cyprus. Today, I just came here, I was dulling myself. My baby just touched the ball.
I'm telling you,
I just saw myself winning.
it was when Ese touched the ball, like she just started winning, like for no reason. After Ese touched the ball.
Cause I can't keep on waiting for something when you still say you don't know.
Being a YouTuber is not easy. Pardon? Okay. Oh, finish. If you don't want me to try anything.
I want this.
Their sweet dessert is too sweet. In Turkey, when you come, be ready to be eating bread on every meal. You guess. But this bread is very nice.
This is not bread, it's called ekmek.
Ekmek is not bad. So, this is when their bread is to come in handy when you're hungry. Hey guys, good to see you guys again. Let me pause this thing. Let me pause this thing that is making noise. That's not making you hear my love for you guys. Guys, how are you guys doing? I am doing fine, and I've started fasting again. I know my last clip I wasn't fasting. Yeah, I was on my period then, but now baby girl is back to fasting. So I went out to buy iftar. I don't feel like cooking. I've never been cooking, like, to be honest with you guys. In like a year, I've not cooked. Yeah, I know you guys are wondering that how have I been eating. That's when you have like a chef as housemates. You will enjoy your food. So I went to buy food. So I just feel like eating this Turkish rice with their soup, chova. That's what I'm going to be eating. So I went to get dates because I also don't have dates. And then I remember that this bob, it stopped working ever since, like more than like a month now or so, if I'm not exaggerating. And I've not really gone out to buy anyone. I've gone to buy one, so let me look for a place to drop you guys. So you guys should watch me fix. If I don't have all this light situation going on in my room, I would have bought it, but because of the lights, then I hope this thing works because it's two of it, so I hope it works. Oh yeah. So moment of the truth. Oh! It's almost time for iftar. It's like 7:25, which iftar is like 7:55, I guess, or to 8. I'm not sure. I'm just going to pray Ashur, and once I finish praying Ashur, I would try to prep for my breaking for iftar, break my fast. So that's what I'm going to do. Prepare to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me. Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Yeah. Oh God, being a YouTuber is a ghetto. It's the confirmed ghetto. No, we're fine. No, we're good. Hey guys. Okay, this is 7:57, so it's time for iftar. It's time to break the fast. Yeah, I have my dates here and I have my cup of water. This is like typical me breaking with a date and water. This date actually tastes like honey. After breaking, I'm going to pray Maghrib. After praying Maghrib, I'm going to prepare something to eat, but I'm not going to eat like the main food. I actually used to, well, anytime I'm eating Turkish food, anytime I'm breaking with Turkish food, I buy their soup. I'm going to take their soup with bread. After Isha, I'm going to eat the actual meal. Then, fasting, you'll be fasting for like how many hours? Like 14 hours straight. You just take water and then date, you're already full. So that's why I used to give myself interval of eating like that. So I'm just going to finish my date. I have a cup of iced tea here and I have soup. This is a Turkish soup. Let me show you guys. So this, I know the Yorubas will say it looks like begiri, which is actually true. It actually does. So it actually looks like begiri and also tastes like one. I think that's why I like it. And then I'm going to eat it with bread, ekmek. I'm going to eat it with this. Any Turkish restaurant you go, they must actually serve you with like ekmek, which is bread. And their bread, the outside is always very hard, but the inside is like soft. It's like very, very soft. That's where it is. I don't know if I'm going to see you guys after praying Isha, but I want to show you guys my food. I will see you guys after praying Isha when I'm about to eat my second dinner. I don't eat sahur, so what I just do is wake up, drink enough water, and then pray, then sleep back. That's what I do with sahur. So like my iftar is like what takes me throughout the whole fasting. So yeah, I'm going to see you guys later. Cheers. Hey guys, good evening. It's almost iftar time and my friend is treating me iftar today. She told me to come get some soup. Her sister makes soup, local dish, hafang, vegetable, bitter leaf soup, all sort of soup for sale, so you can pre-order. So I'm just going there now. I don't know, I still find it so weird, like vlogging, like carrying my camera like this and vlogging. I still find it so weird. Today fasting is very hectic. Like I'm so hungry, but it's almost time. I just want to withdraw money, and from there I'll go to my friend's place to pick up my soup. Hey guys, I just came back from my friend's house. The food was so delicious. It was so delicious, and I'm going to be putting um the pictures of the soup she makes and her phone number on the screen so you guys can support her. You guys can come, please come and buy what we are selling. Now I'm back home and I'm going to Ankara tomorrow. I need to pack. I'm taking a train, so it's going to be another vlog, an interesting vlog. I hope it's an interesting vlog because I'm going to be fasting. I've started packing, so I need to just kind of finalize what I'm packing, and so I just know what I'll be taking. I'll be spending a day there. I'm going tomorrow, which is Sunday, and then I'll be back Monday evening. This is the small box I'm taking. So I'm actually packing some stuff. My train is by 6:53 to 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. So I'll arrive 12 p.m. And so at 12 p.m. I'm going to, book an hotel, and from there I'm going to look for just sightsee. I've been to Ankara before, but when I went to Ankara, it was just a whole lot different story. I think I said it in it's my first ever vlog that I talked about my Ankara experience when I got to Ankara. So yeah, just because in case I might go out, I'm just going to take few makeup. So I'm taking few makeup and the clothes I'm going to be changing with. This is like my jewelry, like ring, earrings, and all. This is my document and my passport. Yeah, this is my lint roller. Let me just put you guys somewhere so I can pack. So I'm taking this bag. I just want to transfer the necessary stuff I'm going to need. This is my wallet, wipes, tissue, and there's a book here and my earpiece. And by tomorrow I'm going to carry my skincare, because I'm spending a day doesn't still mean I'm not going to do whatever I have to do. I'll see you guys when next I see you guys, which I don't know when next I'll be seeing you guys.
Several bad puns later.
Hey guys. So good afternoon guys. I'm back from Ankara, and I don't know if my Ankara vlog is going to be up before this vlog, but I am back from Ankara. When I got to Ankara, it was very hot, like very hot. So, and when I came back, summer is here already. So I have to put my winter clothes back inside my suitcase and bring out the summer clothes, like the few summer clothes I have. Just bring out the clothes that I know that it's good for the weather. I did that this morning. I cleaned, I arranged, like it was so nice. Guys, you won't believe I was blabbing since. I thought I pressed the record button, but no, I was blabbing, talking plenty. So I had to change few things in my room, which is just the hanger, like the clothes hanger in my room. My winter jacket is to be there. I used to change the clothes due to the season, so my winter jacket is to be there. But now let me show you guys. Okay, so but now I just put this few tops of the same color, of almost the same color. So I just put these few tops, so just for aesthetic. And yeah, and also I changed my wardrobe. I used to have my hoodies here, but now I have like my summer clothes, shirts, gowns, tops and skirts, tops, leggings, and asymmetrical clothes or something. I don't know, just like tank tops. I put away my sweatpants also, so it's just my jean, my other pants, and yeah, and bum shorts. That is what I did. And also I came here to show you guys I washed my hair today and I am retwisting it. I'm not doing the interlock method because I don't want to do the interlock method and I don't want to take off these beads on my hair. So I'm just retwisting it, and this is the clip I use to hold it. So after like 1 to 2 hours, I'm going to take off the clips and it's going to stay there. It won't unravel. Let's show you guys. My hair is growing so well and I'm loving it. I want to show you guys this diffuser that I got. I didn't get it actually. It was gifted. It was given to me. So this diffuser smells so good. Like so good. I collected it from Mommy SA. Smells so good. It's called chocolate cookie. And my room smells like chocolate cookie. Like very nice. So good. I just came on here to just talk to you guys and to what else? Just to close up the vlog. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and click the notification button so you'll be notified once I drop another goodie. And also don't forget to click the thumbs up button, because you doing that helps YouTube to spread my video to wider audience, and you doing that, your baby girl is gonna grow. I'm going to be growing in more views, and views eventually might turn to subscribers. Stay well, stay awesome, and most importantly, always be the best of yourself. And I will definitely see you guys in my next videos or my previous ones. Till then, bye. I don't know how to be when I'm telling you guys bye. Bye.